how are you today? Well, today I am working with a friend of mine, Brandon Rogers, who was the creator and director of Magic Funhouse. If you haven't followed his YouTube videos, they are insane, they are wacky, they are crazy, they are offensive to many people, and he's just a wonderful human being, and I always love working with him. So he asked if I could do a small part in his series today. Whew, I'm sweating. Whew. So Brandon asked me if I could do a small part in his series today, playing a reporter, and he wanted me to have a brunette wig. Now, usually when you've seen me change my hair color with a wig, I pop the hair out so that I still have my natural hairline, and I feel like that makes it look more real. But today, we don't get to do that. Today, I have to run off to an audition right after, where I have to have my silver hair, and I can't have really crazy makeup, so I'm wearing a wig that isn't a very good wig. Do not ask me where to get it, how you can source it, because I have had this wig for a decade, and I don't remember where I got it. Let's see, what does it say on it? Inside it says Noriko. So that is, it's an ancient one, and it's little fried, little frizzy, and very much darker than my own hair. So, let's play. Also, I don't have a lot of time to do this, so, when do I ever? Let's have fun. I'm going to use my Idun Norskin foundation because I really like the finish on this, even though when it shipped there was a flaw in the container, so it always looks really creepy and gross. I've cleaned it a bunch of times. I do already have moisturizer with sunscreen SPF 50 on my face and neck and chest. I always put everything on my stainless steel palette to work from. I'm applying with my Sigma Soft Blend Concealer Brush. Joe Blasco, Orange Highlight 1. RCMA No Color Powder, using a puff. I apply the powder to the puff, work it in, and then bounce it back onto my hand where I can reload the puff from. We're definitely going to want much darker brows. I'll have to brush them out a little bit for the audition. Color Science palette. These are the colors. We're going to go with this darkest tone on an angled brush. Fortunately, the bangs will hide a lot of the eyebrows, I think. Yeah, those are some dark eyebrows. Using my Sigma Cheek palette, this is available on QVC. They did send it to me for free. This is available on QVC for, I believe, $48, and it does come with the brush. What I love is that it's got all of these colors. So it's really handy to be able to mix and match and blend. And, you know, a lot of times I'll end up using both of these colors in my makeup. Today I think I might go just a teensy bit darker. Let's get a little bit of a contour on. Use a different brush for this just because I don't want to transfer much color. I'm going to use this for a little bit of contour. For my blush, gosh, I usually have been using this one. I've been really liking it. Might be a little light for today, but let's start with it. Let's warm that up a little bit with this. Again, we won't see any of this stuff up here on my forehead with the bangs, but we will at my audition later. And I can blend everything down a little bit if I need to. Let's go with that, though we know we're probably going to put a deeper blush on. You know I love doing my lips before my eyes because it just helps me. A lot of times Brandon in his videos, he like skews up the color a little bit. So I am going to use a lipstick that is just really, really neutral. I think I got this from when I got an order from Sephora, and you know how they let you pick out your little trial size things. So this is a Marc Jacobs lipstick. Gosh, let's see if I can see what it's called. It really has become a favorite. Slow burn. So it's Marc Jacobs and it's slow burn. Eye makeup, keeping it pretty soft because as much as I need to do this for the shoot, I also have to think about my later in the day. I'm going to use my same palette here and just, like I always do, I'm going to sweep this across the entire eye. And then in the crease, using my Sigma Domed Utility Brush, I'm going to go in with this color in the crease area. And I'm going to blend that with a little bit of this color to just sort of soften it a little. Calling it done. Not sure how much eyeliner I want. do a little. This is my Kat Von D tattoo liner. And that's me making a big mess because I'm too far from the mirror. Well, neither of those eyes matches each other. Alrighty then. That eyeliner sucks. And I'm not going to change it because people are showing up here. Let's curl the lashes. Part lights, camera, mascara, or lights, camera, lashes. Lights, camera, mascara. I don't know what wardrobe Brandon is going to select for me, but I'm going to go throw a blouse on right now just because the t-shirt's going to be difficult to get on and off with the wig. I'll be right back. I'm not worrying too much about what I have on my bottom half because he's only shooting me from the waist up. And I'm going to be wearing a suit jacket. I have two jackets that would be appropriate. One is a navy blue and one is velvet about this color. I'm hoping we choose the velvet one about this color just because with the dark hair and the dark jacket I feel like I'm just this mass of darkness, but that is up to the director, not up to me. I'm not even doing a proper prep on my hair for this wig. Ooh. Ordinarily, I would be putting it into 4... Gosh, come on, Monique. Why can you not get this one button? Ordinarily, when wearing a wig that doesn't have any combs or attachments, I would be doing 4 pin curls here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. Just twist my hair into a pin curl at each of those anchor points and then applying the wig and the wig cap, well, the wig cap and then the wig. And then I would go take a hairpin and go through the wig cap, into the pin curl and then back. But I need my hair to look okay later for my audition. So I'm just slamming this thing on my head. If this is so inappropriate, this is not how you put a wig on. It'll be fine. Hey, at least when I tell you things that you're not supposed to do, I mean, at least when I do things I'm not supposed to do, I tell you, don't do it like this. It's wrong. There we go. That keeps my hair out. I'm not going to really see that. Get That ear out. Get that ear out. Get that hair back in. There we go. Oh, I look pretty now, huh? Okay, my ratty old wig. Oh, I do have, no, do I? No, I took the combs out. Used to have combs in it years ago. This wig I've had for so long. Using my Sephora Black Lace eye pencil, I'm going to do a little tight lining. And I think I'm going to put a little something under the eyes just to give them a little more definition. Going into my chocolate gold palette, I'm going to take this brown here on just a stiff bristled brush from Sigma. Just a little under the eyes. Brighten that blush just a teensy bit. I'm going to go with this more rosy pink. Which we will tone down a little bit for the audition. Not going with any highlighter because we're going to be shooting out in sunlight and sometimes that looks a little weird. And there we go. Now I'm a brunette. Thanks for watching. I love you bunches. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day, and I will talk to you very soon. Hey, if you haven't checked out Brandon Rogers' videos yet, and you're not easily offended, I'll throw a link up to his channel. You should definitely check him out. He's hilarious. I love you bunches. Bye-bye.